Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Toyota Sienna L. This is a brand new rear entry conversion, manual, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got a handle on either side. These clamps keep these ramps from rattling. They're a great design. And look here, I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 43-inch wide ramp with these. Super wide ramp made for the larger chairs. The great thing about these rear entries, if a side entry, if someone parks next to you, you're blocked in. Rear entry, not the case. They also have about 9 inches of ground clearance, which is twice the ground clearance of what a side entry has. They're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable to sell. And it's got the deep cut here, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. This ramp has a 1,000 pound weight capacity, 56 inches of headroom coming in the door, 57 inches once you're inside the van. It does taper down to about 42 inches of width here at the base where the ramp sets. It's got your brand new Q straight tie downs in there. Those are high dollar. We include those at no charge to you. Got your cup holders over here, your spare tire, about 25.5 inches of room between these seats. If you decide you want seats that flip up out of the way, we can put a bench seat in here that'll hold 3 people. So you have a chair in back, 5 people in the front, and the bench seat will fold up out of the way when it's not in use. We've got a bench seat back here we can install that'll flip up and down. So let me know your measurements. Let me know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got your rear air controls back here. The dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Got your dual climate control, your rear air. Got all your plug-ins for your electronics. The cup holders here seem to be jammed. I'm going to have my guys look at that, so I'm going to take it back to my shop. I've got 3 mechanics. I'll tell you more about that here later in the video. But we got everybody secure. Come back out. Look, 1 finger, that's all it takes. Put the ramp back, clamp it down, you're ready to go. Our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Now, competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. Ask them what their warranty is on their conversion. They're going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. So if ours goes unlimited miles and theirs goes 36,000 miles, you tell me who has the better built conversion. Little bruise right there on the back bumper. Just want to show that to you. It's not a perfect van, but it's a very nice van. Tinted windows, alloy wheels. We put 4 brand new tires on this van. So tires aren't going to be an issue. And it's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's very clean, very nice. And someone's put this plastic overlay on here to protect it, from scratches and stuff. It's hard to get out from under these doors. So it's just kind of a little bit of an eyesore. But it doesn't affect the quality of the van at all. Just want to show those to you though, and I hope you can tell by my videos, I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. I'm not trying to hide anything from you. When this van shows up at your house, or when you come in to see it, I want you to say this is exactly the van Jeremiah represented in the videos. But overall, for 2014, it is super clean. I am very impressed. I know you will be too. And one thing I always do in the videos, make sure you get this, even if you buy from somewhere else, get a video, not a picture, a video of the VIN number. That way it means I have the van here in my possession. This is not some internet scam. There are a lot of scams out there. Make sure you get a video of that VIN number. It means I got the van here with me. What I do with that VIN number, I run a Carfax report on every one of our vehicles before I buy them. You can see just 2 owners, 15 service records, so a well-serviced Toyota. An accident reported, I'll show that to you. Carfax shows no salvage junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss, so this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer shows to be accurate. I'll highlight that accident here momentarily, but as we scroll down, you can see the vehicle has been serviced regularly. It does show in February 2018 involving front or side impact damage to the right front and front vehicle functional. Estimated damage less than $500, so this is a little fender bender. I am not opposed to buying a vehicle that's had a bumper replaced or painted, but a very minor accident, just probably someone bumped them in a parking lot or something like that. I do not buy vehicles with frame damage or airbag deployment. I don't buy flood damage. I will buy a vehicle with minor damage. Also, no matter who you buy from, check out their reviews online. Find us on eBay. 1,175 transactions, and 1,175 people said we did them right, which is why we have 100% positive feedback. No matter who you do business with, find them online. Make sure they are a real company. You can find us on Google. See, we're here in Wichita, Kansas. We've got a 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I hear people all the time, you know, complaining about certain mobility dealers selling them a lemon or doing them dirty. I look up those dealers they buy from online, and they've got 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings. So, you know, be sure you review who you're buying from. Make sure you're buying from a reputable dealer. If you want 5-star service with 5-star vans, you give me a call. Okay, on the interior here, very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. We got 2 keys and 2 key fobs with the keyless entry. It does have some real light staining on the interior. It's a light color interior. It's going to pick up a little bit of stains here and there, but overall very clean for a 2014. I know I've already showed you the back here, but I just wanted to give you a different angle. I know a lot of you haven't not really seen inside a mobility van before, so I just wanted to show this to you and give you a little different perspective. When I go to turn the van on, fires right up, first time every time. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. You can see the current miles, 65,640. This van is truly a unicorn to find a 14 Sienna with only 65,000 miles on it. It's got your backup camera there, a great safety feature. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors, the power windows. I'm gonna show you the power mirror there, power mirror over there. Power windows, power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, steering, tires, brakes, which replace fluids as needed. Take these on a road test. We are very thorough in everything we do, and I hope our video shows that. We do not just throw these on the lot like most people do, give them a bath and take some pictures. We're very thorough. They go through a full inspection before they make it to my lot, including a Carfax. Underneath the hood has a 3.5 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leak. There's our brand new battery we put in. It's got a new battery in it. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any, oil leaks or anything like that. No signs of any rust from being in a flood or being up north. I don't buy vehicles from Chicago and New York, and that's the number one mistake people make when buying a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because it only has 65,000 miles on it. They assume just because the salesman's nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume that it's not all rusted out underneath. And I tell you what, go to my competition's website. That's right, I'll send you to the competition. I'm not worried about them. Do they show you a Carfax report? Do they show you a detailed video, and much less pictures, or much less a detailed video of the undercarriage? Do they show you the reputation? And I know the reason they don't show you the undercarriage of these vans, because they buy a lot of them from the rust areas. They buy them for cheaper. They put a black can of spray paint under there, and they sell it to you. If you buy a vehicle that's had this a rusted frame, not only is it dangerous to drive because the frame's been compromised, it may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you can't drive it. Congratulations, you've just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So, demand a detailed video like this. Demand a Carfax report. Demand a warranty. This van comes with a 90-day drivetrain plus warranty, good at any shop in the United States. Finally, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation, make sure you're buying from a reputable dealer. Even if you don't buy from me, I don't want to see you getting scammed, so make sure you do all those things. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, got it up over 70 miles an hour. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. I got the cruise control set, cruise works good. Very nice, very clean van. Like I mentioned, we do have our 90-day warranty. We do offer longer term warranties available. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they don't tell you about is hidden in the fine print. They have document fees, tag fees, administrative fees, and don't forget, they don't have free shipping like we do. So once you add in all their hidden fees, once you add in all the shipping, next thing you know, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Be sure to ask about those hidden fees. Be sure to ask about shipping before you commit to buy. My price is the price you see to get this van to your door, and nobody in the country, I mean nobody, can even come close to my prices and quality of vans to get them to your place, get them at your residence or your place of business. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they've got a bunch of hidden fees they didn't tell you about to try and make more money on the back end, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it mechanical issues? Is it flood damage? You know, I don't know. I just know, unfortunately, the car business is a very dirty business. Transparency is key. If they're hiding money on the back end, there's a good chance there's other things they're hiding as well. So be aware of that. Be sure to ask about all those hidden fees before you buy. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Once again, exactly what we're looking for. And back to that phone number, if texting is easier for you or just more comfortable, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah, and I am the owner of this company. I challenge you to ask the competition, are they dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? Or do you get to call and talk to a computer, get bounced around, leave a voicemail, never get a call back? So if you want to be an actual customer with personal touch and outreach to the owner, give me a call. If you want to be just a number, go ahead and call the competition. And speaking of that, if you want to call and talk to a used car salesman that's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal, have fun with that. If you want absolutely zero pressure sales, I'm just here to give you information, let you make the best decision for you, then give me a call, because I promise you, I'm going to sell this Toyota Sienna whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. And we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give me a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Won't take 5 minutes. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Give me a call. I can explain how that works. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures so you know exactly what you're getting, no surprises, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.